Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am at the HPBA Hearth Show. It's 2024. We are in Nashville. Today I am at the Breckwell booth and I have featured the SP1000E. This is going to be the pellet stove. This is one of the longest time pellet stoves that I've been selling. I've probably actually been selling this model for more than 20 years, and Breckwell is still producing it, which is super because a lot of models come in and out, so I really enjoy that. This has been a good quality model for us. It is a large heat output. You do just have your simple control mechanism located on the side of the stove, and your hopper is going to be located right here on the top. It does have a nice large hopper, easy loading because you just pick it up and it holds about an entire bag of pellets, which should be about 40 pounds or so. This is your simple heat exchanger located here. You're going to get airflow out these vents. Your hopper is going to be located on the top. Super easy open. Now there is a sensor in here. If the hopper's open, your stove is not going to burn. I do sometimes get calls about that, so just know that. Down in here, this is where your auger system is going to be. So your pellets just feed down through there. It is super, super important to keep your pellet stove clean. If your auger gets clogged up, your pellet stove is not going to operate. So keep that in mind. I'm going to show you guys the control system located here. This is your control board. Super, super easy to use. You have a 1 through 5 setting. 1 is low, 5 is your highest. You do have a low feed adjustment, high fan, your fuel feed. Yeah, so you can see pretty easily what's going on with the stove. I do want to show you guys the back as well. It's just classic black. Nothing weird. If it was in the center of the room, it wouldn't be an eyesore on the back. This is going to be the SP1000E Pellet Stove by Breckwell. I hope you guys find these product overviews helpful. If you like these videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.